gonna turn 1 year older in a couple of minutes and I have nowhere to go, no one to celebrate it with. So I thought, why not go to the airport, because airport is the safest place I can travel to as a girl. I'm gonna go wash my face and do some skincare before we leave. Not skincare, I see there's like one cream and I don't know where it is also. This thing. I broke my watch, so I have no watch now. Bye bye. Happy birthday to me. In the past 24 hours, I left Bangalore, I went to Hyderabad, I explored the city, I had the biryani and I met a friend I hadn't met in 6 years, and I came back to the Bangalore airport. I left Hyderabad, came back, all within 24 hours. And the thing is, this would have been such a dream for the 15-year-old me. And I can do it again if I want to tomorrow. I mean, I can't, I have to show up at work, but you get it, right? Like, if I want to, I can. I don't have to ask anything to anybody. This is what the 15 or 16-year-old me would have dreamt or would have died for. It was such an impulsive thing and I had so much fun. Yeah. Bye-bye. I really want to eat like a good biryani, and somehow everybody that I've spoken to in Bangalore and asked them where I can find a good biryani has told me that you can find a good biryani only in Hyderabad. We reached the bus which will take us to the airport, and I might be late because the bus is not moving. I asked the driver, he said 5 minutes we will start. I just hope we start, or else I am cooked bro. My Kinder Joy hungry. Kinder Joy. I'm in Hyderabad, bhai, and a couple of hours back I was in Bangalore. मैं at this point कुछ भी करती हूँ, क्यों करती हूँ मुझे भी पता नहीं. I just visited Charminar, bro. I thought it was supposed to be like the Qutub Minar of Hyderabad, but I wasn't impressed. But I can't even say much because I haven't even seen Qutub Minar. Let's go get a coffee and chocolate croissant from Third Way. Okay, now we're gonna go do what we were actually here to do: eat biryani. Bro, Shadab was so bad. Please don't hate me. I had the chicken biryani there. It was not good at all. And then I thought, oh, there was so much crowd, but I still was like, अरे कुछ नहीं होगा भाई, मैं तो ऑथेंटिक बिरयानी खाने को मिलेगा मेरे को. बहुत खराब था यार. मत प्लीज हेट मत करो, मुझे जो लग रहा है मैं वो बोलती हूँ. If you're one of those people who thinks that nobody cares about you, nobody loves you, I honestly think that it is a blessing in disguise. Just hear me out, okay? See, I was in Bangalore, okay, and I felt like going to the beach. I felt like seeing the beach. I booked myself an overnight bus to Bangalore. Nobody to explain to, nobody to ask me why. Just because I can, and I did it because nobody cares. That's one thing. Second thing, I was out right now, right, in Bangalore, and it's like 10:30 right now, and my phone died. Between the ride, my phone died, and I came to the hotel room and I was pretty chill, because see, if somebody cared about you, you'd have to be worried about, oh no, shit, I have to text them, I have to call them. I was just so sure. No, I wouldn't have any text from anyone, any calls from anyone. Another benefit, right? It's like nobody to care. I have nobody to care about me. I have nothing to worry about. I just got myself food. I got myself some really good food. I'm gonna have food. I'm gonna watch TV. And I'm gonna sleep till whenever the fuck I want. I'm gonna wake up whenever I want. Because tomorrow's Sunday. I don't even have work to show up to. Crazy. I can just sleep. Amazing. It is so amazing to have nothing to worry about. That's another thing you have to work on. Like, I don't have to worry about picking up my phone because I know nobody's gonna text me or call me. That's one thing. And I have no EMIs to worry about. I have no bills that are due to pay, no credit card bills to worry about. I think that's the way life should be, at least according to me. I'm having fun. I'm gonna have my food. I'm gonna probably watch a show or maybe edit a video or not edit a video because again, nobody cares, bro. Yeah, but I have you guys. That's one good thing. I think you all, everybody who follows me has like made a genuine difference in my life. You all have made me so happy. Like, I was so lonely before. Maybe I still am, but I don't think I feel that lonely now because of you guys. Bye. Oh, this is good. Oh, so good. Bye. I feel like Apple's last 2% charge lasts more than the entire phone ka charge because I had like 2%, right? The last 2% when I reached the airport. And I made it through check-in. And I got my boarding pass. And I made it past everything. And I even hunt Chroma and I got a charger and I paid for it. And not just that, I even got myself a coffee. Like, I did all of that with 2% charge on my phone. भाई क्या तो खतरनाक गेम्स खेलती हूँ मैं. ठीक है, मतलब this is just me or does this happen with like you guys as well? I mean, obviously nobody forgets their charger in a goddamn airport. Anyways, oh, I'm actually going back from Hyderabad. I'm going home to Bangalore. I really liked Hyderabad though. It's a fun city. Yeah, fun place. Yes. Oh, and this is not coffee. It's called a brownie frappe or whatever. Who asked? Nobody asked. I just want to tell, so I'm telling. Yeah. Why I keep doing this to myself? It's 9 a.m. on a Sunday, right? I woke up at 5:30. I got ready. I took a shower, and I was about to edit a video, but I was feeling sleepy, so I thought, let's go out, get a coffee, and then edit the video. And the thing was, it was 7:30 in the morning, so obviously no coffee shop would have been open. And then I was googling ki dekhte hai kya hai. I found there was this place that I've been wanting to go for like many days, and I saw ki it opens at 8, so I thought let's go, right? And I booked an auto. This place is like 15 kilometers away from my place. I was like, it's fine, it's a Sunday, banta hai. And I go, and it's a fancy fucking place, obviously, right? Like it's a fancy fucking place, and like imagine a coffee shop that has valet parking, bro. Yeah, that fancy. Okay, and for context purposes, let me just show you what I'm wearing. That was what I was wearing, and the balls I have to go to this place. I went, right, and I ordered a coffee, and I opened my laptop to edit my video, obviously. And that guy comes over to me, and then he's like, "Ma'am, Saturday, Sunday, no working hours. You can't work, no laptop." I'm like, bro, it's just so embarrassing, bro. One, I'm looking like this, right, and two, I don't know, it's just embarrassing. भाई मैं अपनी कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर जाती ही नहीं. मैं भैंचो जाती हूँ ब्लू टोकाई थर्ड वेव because I know the menu by heart. Like I go and then I'm like, one iced caramel macchiato please with less ice, chocolate syrup, etc. Like I'm that girl in third wave, okay? And the one time that I decide to get out of my comfort zone and try something new, भगवान मेरी गांड मार देता है इंश्योर. अब अभी भी मुझे काफ़ी awkward लग रहा है to record in public, but I'm still doing it. You know why? I'm keeping you updated with the tea. I'm keeping you updated with the tea because I'm Chaya. Get it? Tea, Chaya. Oh my god, I should just shut the fuck up. Bye guys. If you had a bad day, wake up, get ready, go have another bad day because nobody gives a fuck, bro. Nobody cares. That's life, okay? Have you seen those reels which say accepting it because what the fuck else can I do? Yeah, it's very true. You can't do anything about these things. Just accept it. Go have another bad day. It's fine. It's fine to have a couple of bad days, but don't let those bad days become bad weeks and bad months and whatever. You get it. You're not dumb. Yeah, bye. So I went to the bank yesterday, and in my defense, the my defense to the rest of the story that I'm about to tell is we live in a digital era. ठीक है, मुझे कोई गाली नहीं देगा comments में. So I went to the bank and I never deposited cash because why would I deposit cash? मेरी salary account में आती है, मैं खर्च कर देती हूँ UPI से, obviously. So yesterday, due to some reason, I went to the bank कि मुझे cash था मेरे पास and I had to deposit it. I went to the bank, I'm like, how do I deposit cash? She's like,
you have to fill that form, challan.
Whatever. So I'm like, okay, we'll fill the form, challan. So I filled it, right? I filled all the details, and then I go up to the lady at the deposit counter, and she's like,
मैम, account number एक digit ज़्यादा है, check कीजिए.
So I take the form, I keep it there, and I'm checking the account number like this. I'm like, it is correct. I go to her, I give my ATM card, and I tell her, देखो correct ही तो है. She is like, man, ये ATM number होता है, account number अलग होता है. I'm like, bro, I have this way. देखो यार, but what we learned from this is, I have learned to accept my mistakes. I'm becoming a wiser, stronger person. क्योंकि मैं पुरानी वाली छाया होती, मैं छोड़ देती कि छोड़ो, मुझे बहुत awkward cringe हो जाता, मैं भागती वहाँ से, कैश खर्च कर लेता है, क्यों डिपॉजिट करना है बोलती मैं. From this story we learn two things. One, क्या सीखे भाई हम इससे कि मैं चूतिया हूँ. Okay, but one thing we learned from this is that account number and ATM number are two different things. Okay, and the second thing we learn is you learn to accept your mistakes and you grow as a person. 60, 70, not more than that. Bro, dosa ka price should never be in 3 digit. It is a scam if it is in 3 digit. सब लोग CTR जाते हैं मलेशिया में, बट हम आए एयरपोर्ट CTR में डोसा खाने के लिए. प्राइस गैस कीजिए, 285 only for one dosa. Let's go get dinner with me. मतलब आदमी को और क्या चाहिए ज़िंदगी में. जो भी खाने को माना है उसके लिए पैसे हैं, वहाँ तक पहुँचने के लिए पैसे हैं, और अच्छे ईयरपॉड्स ले लो और गाना लगाओ भाई, और क्या ही चाहिए ना. प्यार चाहिए, किसी के साथ खाना है, अकेले नहीं खाना मुझे. I'm a strong, independent girl. I do not need a man. I do not need love. I was about to walk into one of these, bro. ऐसे कौन भट्टे बोलता है भाई. सीने में उतारूं तेरी जुल्फ़ें सवारूं, मैं काला टीका लाके तेरी नजर